Thomas, Emily, and the special coaches. Thomas, Emily, and the special coaches. It was summer on the island of Sodor. Gordon the big bird had set a new record for pulling near best. All the engines were very excited for him. I have a special surprise for you, Gordon, said the back controller one morning. Paul Gordon blew his whistle as loud as he could. Beep, beep. The fab controller had given Emily an important job. She had to pick up two very special coaches. They had been newly painted to celebrate Gordon's record. The fab controller surprised Gordon with this. Emily seemed along eagerly. I must be on time, I must be on time, she thought. When Emily stopped to take on water, Diesel pulled up alongside her. You look very pleased with yourself, he oiled. Emily told him all about Gordon's record in collecting the coaches. Gordon's not the only one who's special, puffed Diesel. Well, there's nothing special about smelly old Diesel. I haven't time to listen to you. I had to collect more coal. And she steamed away, leaving Diesel looking cross. Later, Emily arrived at the yards, but Gordon's special coaches weren't there. Diesel had already collected them, puffed Thomas. He said it was his job, but that was my job, puffed Emily. I'll have to find them. I must not be late for Gordon's presentation. Emily raced quickly across the island. I must be on time, I must be on time, she puffed. She was looking for Diesel and the special coaches. Suddenly, Emily saw Diesel waiting at a signal. He was coupled up to Gordon's special passenger coaches. Why have you taken Gordon's coaches? Emily snapped sharply. Because, Diesel began. I haven't got time to listen to you, huffed Emily. Give me those coaches. Not if you won't listen, grunted Diesel, and he sped away as fast as his wheels would carry him. Emily chased after Diesel. Come back, she whistled. It was getting later and later. Emily was worried that the special coaches would not be ready for Gordon's special presentation. As usual, Diesel was being devious. He knew all the tricks and many different tracks. Poor Emily couldn't catch up with him. Diesel made her look silly. Please come back, Diesel, Emily whistled sadly. Emily steamed on happily to Makeface Station. The fat controller was there, waiting for Emily on the platform. Where are Gordon's special coaches? He asked her. Diesel took them, sir, replied Emily quietly. We must find him at once, boomed the fat controller, and he climbed into Emily's cab. Diesel had hidden the coaches in the siding, but he wasn't feeling well. He started to slow down. Suddenly, Diesel saw Emily with the fat controller. Now I'm in trouble, he groaned. Diesel, said the fat controller sternly. Where are Gordon's special coaches? They're hidden in the sidings, sir, said Diesel quietly. Take Emily there at once, ordered the fat controller. Yes, sir, replied Diesel. Diesel took Emily to collect the trucks from the sidings. Emily could see black smoke coming from Diesel's engine. What's wrong with your engine? She asked. It's worn out from rushing around, said Diesel. Then you shouldn't have taken the coaches, howled Emily. And you should have listened to me, Diesel replied crossly. Emily was puzzled. Why should I listen to a smelly old Diesel? She said. Because Gordon's not the only one who set a record, said Diesel quietly. I've set one too. Emily was surprised. Have you? She wished, and this time she listened to Diesel. I've shunted one more trucks in one day than any other, Diesel said, and he spluttered sadly away. Diesel. Emily began to feel sorry for Diesel. Diesel is just as special as Gordon, she said. She wanted Diesel to feel special too, and thought of a clever idea. Emily raced to Naphtha station with Gordon's special quarters rattling behind her. She told the fire controller all about Diesel's record, and about her idea is to make Diesel feel special. The fire controller listened to Emily. That's a very good idea, Emily, he said. Tell Diesel to come here for the presentation this afternoon. Later at Naphtha station, the fire controller presented Gordon with the special coaches. Don't they look splendid? Popped Gordon proudly. Just then, Emily steamed into the station. And this new Diesel's motor is for you, Diesel, she chuckled. Diesel was surprised. I'm sorry I didn't listen, said Emily. Now I know that Diesels and steamers are both special. Everyone cheered and whistled for Gordon and Diesel. Peep, peep. The end.